Hey students, today I am going to explain how to write a program in Java using assignment method. Assignment method means that we are going to fill the values of the variables within the program. So the question is, write a program to find the sum of three numbers. If we have to find the sum of three numbers, that means three numbers you need. So those numbers ABC we have taken, and you need to store the answer in a variable. That answer name we have taken as D, and that is to be declared. We have declared it as int to tell the compiler that this much memory it has to allocate. First class is written, then class braces start, variables are declared. The variables under the class are called instance variables, and you can also declare them under the function. They are called the local variables. So we have to declare a function. Public static void main string as also you can write, or public void display we have written, anything you can write. Then braces start, and then the three numbers we have stored in ABC. Then the answer name is D, and we have written the formula A plus B plus C. So first of all, the formula should come in your mind that this is the formula to be used. Then right hand side of equal sign, the values which we need, those we have to store. These all values of ABC we have stored here. A is 10, B is 20 and C is 30. Now it will add and it will store the answer in D variable. And we have to print the answer, so we have to print D. Whatever is in double quotes, we are writing the printing statement. Whatever is in double quotes, that will be printed as it is, that is just a message, and whose value you have to print, that is D. D is the answer name, and we have to print the value, so it will be joined with plus, that is the concatenation operator. Plus x acts as the concatenation operator, or you can say joining operator, which will join this message with this value. So then we are closing the block of the function, and then we are closing the block of the class. So this is the way we write the program using assignment method. Now we have to write the comments and variable description also. So for each line you have to explain why you have written that line, and you have to put two slash symbols to tell the compiler that it is a comment and it should not read that and find the mistakes, errors. So first is class declared, and this is what, this is a class block starts, and this is instance variables declared, and here you can write function declared. These are the variables initialized, means values are given, they are initialized, their values are stored there, and then we have stored all the values. This is variables initialized, and this is what formula used to calculate the sum of three numbers. Then this is printing the sum of the three numbers, and this is function block closed, function block closed, and the last block is of the class. So class block ends there. Then we have to write the variable description also. Variable description you can write in the form of this table. It can be written in tabular form, and you can write serial number, variables used, data type, and description. And this ABCD variables we are having, all are of int type. A is what, to store the first number to be added, B is to store the second number to be added, C is to store the third number to be added, and D is to store the sum of the three numbers. So like this we have to write the variable description for all the programs.